The big security lapse in the state. Now, will Chief Minister Laldu Homa explain on this? 7 foreign nationals, 6 Ukrainians and 1 from the US enters Mizoram without the mandatory restricted area permit, crosses over to Myanmar, gets multiple consignments of drones from Europe delivered to them in Mizoram, meets ethnic groups hostile to India, returns back to Mizoram, still undetected, and moves on to Kolkata airport to leave India. It is only then that the US national was detained by the Bureau of Immigration at Kolkata airport, and the 6 Ukrainians were detained at airports in Lucknow and Delhi. Now, is this not a big security lapse on part of Mizoram authorities? What exactly were they doing? How did the 6 foreign nationals enter the state, moved on to Myanmar, got drones delivered from outside India, and then came back to Mizoram from Myanmar? All this while without being detected by neither the police nor any other security agency. The 7 foreign nationals have now been arrested by the NIA. They have been booked for conspiring to carry out terrorist activities under India, under Section 18 of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, UAPA, along with other relevant sections. The arrests followed after a coordinated operation by multiple NIA teams last week. Multiple reports are suggesting, viewers, that all the accused had entered India on valid visas but had proceeded to Mizoram without the mandatory restricted area permit. From there, they crossed into Myanmar, where they reportedly met ethnic groups hostile to India. Investigations also uncovered that multiple consignments of drones from Europe were delivered by them in Mizoram, reports quoting sources have said. According to the NIA, the accused were involved in illegally importing huge consignments of drones from Europe to Myanmar via India for the use of ethnic armed groups. These groups were allegedly also supporting some proscribed Indian insurgent groups by the way of supplying weapons and other terrorist hardware and training them. The NIA has alleged that the group was plotting terror strikes and their movements had raised alarm over cross-border threats.